Sensor and image processor. They pair a 20.8 megapixel 1-inch BSI CMOS sensor with the Xpeed 6A processor for a sensitivity range of 160, 6400, or ISO 12800 in stabilization. Dual detect optical VR. This is Nikon's branding for its optical plus electronic for movies stabilization system. Lens. They have different lenses, but both have a maximum aperture of f1.8 to 2.8, a manual aperture ring on the lens and 9 blade apertures for smooth out of focus areas. Nikon also adds a fluorine coating to the front element to protect it, and they'll accept screw-on filters. Autofocus hybrid phase, 171 points, and contrast, 105 areas, detection autofocus system, the same as a Nikon 1J5. Performance. Both can shoot up to 20 frames per second with continuous autofocus and auto exposure at full resolution. Design. They both take the optional, hot shoe-based tilting electronic viewfinder and have a 3-inch tilting and flip-up OLED LCD. Video support for recording Ultra HD 4K, 3840x 2160, video at 30p, as well as slow motion at up to 1200 fps, albeit at a tiny 400x 144 resolution. They offer clean HDMI output, 4K frame grabs, time-lapse movie, and more. Connectivity. Bluetooth for a persistent low-power wireless connection along with NFC and Wi-Fi.